Hello, welcome to Dotcom tutorial on the FAQ element. Are you finding it challenging to answer all the questions of your customers? Incorporating a FAQ section into the website is an excellent way to answer frequently asked customer queries and reduce the number of query tickets for your support team. Dotcom has an exclusive FAQ element to help you with this challenge. Go to the desired theme page in your Dotcom account and click Elements. Drag and drop the FAQ element to the design canvas. Hover over the element. You can customize it through 3 sections: FAQ element, container column, container row. Let's go through each section in detail. 1. FAQ element. Click the edit icon to start customizing your FAQ element. A customization panel loads on the right side of the screen with 3 tabs: Content, Style, and Advanced. Go to the Content tab. Here, you can add, edit, and delete all the questions and answers. To create a neat visual, you can add suitable icons to display the default icon and active icon. You can either upload a suitable icon from your computer or select an icon from your library of already uploaded icons. Now, go to the Style tab. It contains 4 sections: FAQs, title, content, and icon. Using the FAQs section, you can adjust the different parameters associated with the FAQs border. With the title section, you can configure the alignment, typography, colors, and padding of the questions. Expand the content section to configure the alignment, typography, colors, and radius of the answers. Finally, adjust the position, width, height, and colors of icons in the icon section. Next is the Advanced tab. It contains 4 sections: Advanced, Background, Border, and Visibility. Expand the Advanced section. For different screen types, you can alter the values of the margin, padding, and width of your FAQ element. Further, you can customize the position, z-index, CSS ID, and CSS classes. Next, expand the Background section. Here, you can adjust the background parameters in normal mode and the hover effect. Select the Normal tab. Here, you can add a suitable background color or image. Further, you can configure the radius and box shadow. Switch to the Hover tab and perform similar customizations. Now, expand the Border section. Here, you can customize the border type, border color, and border width for both normal and hover modes like the former 2 sections. The last section in this tab is Visibility, where you get to hide the FAQ element on desktop, tablet, or mobile screens. 2. Container column. Click the edit icon to start customizing the column of the container. Go to the Content tab. Here, adjust the different column parameters like column width, column gap, alignment, and widget space for different screen types. Click the Style tab. It has 2 modes, normal and hover. Select each mode to customize the background and border style parameters. The customization options include background type, color, border type, and border width. Under the Advanced tab, you can customize the margin, padding, and visibility of the container column. 3. Container row. Hover over the container row and click the edit icon. Select the Content tab. Here, you can adjust the content width, height, row gap, column position, vertical align, and HTML tag. Switch to the Style tab. It has normal and hover tabs. Under each mode, configure the background and border parameters of the container row. Navigate to the Advanced tab. Here, you can customize the advanced, responsive, and visibility parameters for different screen types. That is all about the container row in the FAQ element. Save the changes and click Preview to see the updated design. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with designing your website. If you have any queries or concerns, please reach out to our implementation specialist or contact our support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching.